Somalia has declared a national emergency as large swarms of locusts spread across East Africa. The country's Ministry of Agriculture said the insects, which consume large amounts of vegetation, posed a major threat to Somalia's fragile food security situation.
There are fears that the situation may not be brought under control before the harvest begins in April. The UN says the swarms are the largest in Somalia and Ethiopia in 25 years. Meanwhile, neighboring Kenya has not seen a locust threat as severe in 70 years, according to the UN Food and Agriculture Organization.
However, Somalia is the first country in the region to declare an emergency over the infestation. Somalia's unstable security situation means that planes cannot be used to spray insecticide from the air. In January, the FAO called for international help in fighting the swarms in the Horn of Africa, warning that locust numbers across the region could grow 500 times by June.
The Locust Watch updates further reported that South Sudan and Uganda are in danger from locusts. Meanwhile, in Eritrea at least one swarm arrived on the southern coast near Assab on January 20, either from Yemen or Ethiopia. But in the affected countries ground control are underway as well as aerial sprays to combat the insect spread. According to the Desert Locust Watch updates by FAO, the insects have already invaded more than 13 counties in Kenya, while in Ethiopia they are at the eastern part including Ogaden.
Kenya's Ministry of Agriculture estimated that about 500,000 hectares of pasture and cropland have been destroyed in northern and some parts of eastern Kenya. Locusts can travel up to 150 kilometers (93 miles) in a day. Each adult insect can eat its own weight.